Today I will show you how you can add a sticky, floating or fixed widget in your WordPress website. A sticky, fixed or floating widget is that widget which remains on its place even the user scrolls down. For example, on this website you can see there is one right sidebar which has currently two widgets. One is search bar and the other one is add. We want to make this widget as fixed widget or floating widget so that whenever users scroll down, this widget will scroll down. To do that, it's very simple. Jump in to your appearance and then widgets. You can see on the right sidebar there are two widgets, which is search and the image, which is our ad, and there is no option to make it fix. So to do that, we will go in plugins and then add new. Now search for the following plugin, which name is Q2W3 Fixed Widget, and the first result is our targeted widget. Just click install now. Now you can activate this plugin. Now the plugin is activated. You can go in appearance. The page is still loading. Now you can go in appearance, then widgets. And you can see our targeted widget is here, which is add basically, and you can see option fixed widget is popped up here along the widget. So you need to check and then click save and then click done. Now we will refresh our page. Now you will see when we scroll down, the widget became fixed and floating. So this is how we can make any widget as floating, fixed or sticky. So you can use any add here or widget. So it's recommended to only use it's recommended to make only one widget as fixed. So and it should be the most bottom widget, and you can play with this this plugin's setting as well. In appearance you can find fixed widget options, so if you go there you can make changes in the setting of this plugin, which gives you an option to change the margin top and margin bottom, etc. I hope you like this video. If you liked, please subscribe.